realize now what they have lost with so much time. They are taking charge of their life to commit to you. They are mad at the people around them because your person is being like due to others' opinion, intervening, so they have ruined the most beautiful connection in their life. I'm not brain on this because nobody know really who I am. Only I know myself. Your person is putting in work to get back to you, and you are deciding to your person is to put work back to you. You are deciding to commit your responsibility. Your person is taking charge of their life to give the commitment because so much KR. Stuck energy. Yeah, you decided to close out the painful cycle with this person for good. So now they were worrying about you might move on with someone else better than them. The earth is round. They are mad at people around them because your person feeling like due to other opinion interventions, they have ruined the most beautiful connection. So why you want to listen to people around you, the false statement about me? Especially there's a police. Those police is dirty police. We know we should defunding those 30 police in the world. They are not qualified for anything because they don't catch the criminal, they catch the victim. They are mad at people around there because your person is feeling like your person is praying and hoping you are not entertaining other options because of the time they are taking to the coming to you. This is very bad, people. You are focusing and minding your own business, and your person's literally panic. You are not there to comfort them. Now they are seeing what they have lost. I have given enough time for them is enough. I'm not owe anything for anyone. You are facing some fears and feeling, happiness out of nowhere. Lost 3-4 days because they are releasing fear-based energy moments. Stay calm and positive. Okay, take your time. Take your time. Do your own effort to fix your own problem. Clean yourself. Okay. You need to clean yourself first.